Your vehicle is important to you. It keeps you on the go. But when your vehicle or its equipment isn't working like it should, you could find yourself in unsafe situations. Having a vehicle maintenance routine helps you and your passengers stay safe. For example, checking your tires, checking your oil, checking your lights, and checking for vehicle safety recalls. It's fast, and recall repairs are free. Download the Safer Car app or go to nhtsa.gov/recalls and enter your vehicle identification number, known as the VIN. You can sign up for email alerts or get notified in the app of any future recalls. Adding recall checks to your routine keeps you and your passengers safe. At NHTSA, we believe safe cars save lives. Check for recalls now on the Safer Car app or at nhtsa.gov/recalls.